What expectations as a student, let's say I'm a student right now, about getting a job in such a competitive work environment? How should that guide my efforts in building my portfolio or my reel?
Okay, so if you are a student who wants to take my class, for instance, or artist who wants to level up, and either way, so I think the best would be, of course, like if you're already familiar, with Photoshop and 3D tools, it would be better for you to gain more from the class, because I can give you feedback, and then you follow the progress, and then if you already have the foundation, you just gonna get more from the class, because the foundation is stronger, and you can brush up on new things, or I mean brush up on the things and learn new things, right? Versus there is nothing wrong if you completely new as well. So I will guide you through the whole process and everything, really, and you will learn those things as well. So basically, if you already know the tools, great. You will just move on faster and be able to complete more tasks, because like I said, there are optional ones, right? So that would be great for you in that sense. If you're more of a new artist or student, then yeah, like you will be able to do at least 3 paintings by the end of the class, and I will help you to to get there and guide you through, and you will see the whole process. Because also in the class I have examples, not just of work that I created for the class, but also the work I did for real projects, and I show you the whole process of how it works, which is great, I think, as well, to have a bit of an insight. So for those who finish the workshop and all that, so yeah, the best thing would be to really be honest with yourself, have that critical eye, try to develop that critical eye, and have it from 5 to 10 pieces, really best ones. Be super honest with yourself. Take the time to get that work done, those 10 pieces. Maybe it will take you 30 pieces or 40 pieces to select 10 or 5 even, right? And then you send them, or maybe you make your show reel based on that, with camera projection and whatnot. Once again, depending on where you want to be in the end. But the idea is to show your best work, and it will take time to get those best pieces ready. But once they are ready, first and foremost, you learn quite a bit by doing that, and then you send them to your to the company, and then they will have a look, and they will see that every piece is strong. Because if you send 5 pieces, or rather you send 10 pieces, and 5 of them are good, but 5 of them okay, kind of so, and someone else sends 5 pieces or 5 paintings, right? And they are all amazing. So most likely they will hire the one with 5 amazing paintings. Although in the end they both might be equal, but that guy who sent 5, he just sent really the best work. He didn't show any weakness, basically, because they will always judge you by your weakest piece, and like I said, they might be equal, but that's the reality of how it works. Yeah.